Control.
All right, so we're in court, so we have to be really quiet, okay? You're more than welcome to go sit outside if you want to talk, not a problem.
That's monetization.
I'm sorry?
So I don't want to mess your monetization up.
Well, why don't you let me know your name so we can come get you if we need you?
Justin.
Dustin what?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's okay. Do you want me to call him? Okay.
Right, ready, Miss Spade?
Yes, we're ready, Judge. Thank
All
you.
right, we're having some technical issues, so you're almost there. All right, Mr. Goldstein, Mr. Simmons. So I do not have him. Do you have him?
No, Your Honor.
All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Emmanuel Carlos Simmons, 2 files 24-22051FH, 24-22052FH. I have David Goldstein appearing on behalf of Mr. Simmons and Dave McCready appearing on behalf of the people. I have a letter dated November 12 of 25 from Mr. Coast. Mr. Coast, would you like to give us an update?
Yes, Judge. He was in a second treatment over at Dawn Farms. He was asked to leave that facility due to being a detriment to the other clients. He is also threatening to staff. After refusing to leave, they actually had to have the police have him leave the facility. After being released, he did not pick up drug screening, so I do not know where his whereabouts are, and he's not drug testing.
All right, Mr. Goldstein, anything you would like to add?
Your Honor, I did have a communication, a text from him yesterday indicating that he is getting involved in another program. He didn't give me the details, but he said that he has made application for another program. He denies the allegations. I mean, I know Mr. Coast is simply repeating what he was told, but he denies those allegations.
All right, he has failed to appear today, though. Mr. Goldstein?
I don't have him here. I mean, that's all I can tell you.
Mr. McCready?
So, yeah, I received that email as well from Dawn Farms, and it says that not only what Mr. Coase said, but that he was recruiting people at the center there to sell for him when they get out, saying that he doesn't actually have a drug problem. He's a dealer who's in treatment to get a lighter sentence. So in our position would be, he needs to have a bench warrant issued and extremely high bond set.
Mr. Goldstein?
Your Honor, I mean, like I said, we were going to contest those allegations, but if he's not here yet, if he's not here, we should say, there's no way I can contest those.
Okay, so I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. I'll set bond on each file for $25,000 cash surety. All right.
If I find him this morning, Your Honor, I'll let you know.
Yes. And Mr. Goldstein, I have Mr. King. Are you ready on Mr. King?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. He had stepped into the hallway, so we'll go bring him in. Cash or surety, you said, Judge? Thank you. All right, well, evidently he may be in the bathroom, so we'll wait for him to come back. Let's see who I have in my waiting room. Mr. Let's see. All right, I have Andrew Wright. It's fine, he'll get in here when he gets in here. That's all right, there's no rush. All right, Andrew Wright, if you could start your device, please. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Andrew Gordon Wright. File number 25-22169FH. I have Martin McManus appearing on behalf of Mr. Wright, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. McManus, how would you like to proceed?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. At this time, we've had negotiations with Prosecutor David McCready. We have this matter worked out for a plea agreement. I'd like to set this down for a plea date.
Do you want to plead him today?
We would not, Your Honor, and his fiance is ready to have a child in mid-December. So we're just seeing if we could possibly do a plea and sentencing on January 6th, or I mean, January 7th.
All right, that's fine. January 7, pretrial, January 7 at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay,
All
and
right, very good.
be-
Mr. McManus,
Yes, Your
can
Honor.
you do the stipend order to adjourn? Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name, or Mr. McCready, can you sign your name with
Yes, that's
permission?
Yep.
Okay,
And-
all right, thank you, Mr. Wright. Good luck on the baby.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. Mr. King, you want to come up to the podium? Mr. Goldstein, I do have Mr. King, and Mr. Montoy will be with you next. I go by P number, and sorry, you're at the bottom of the P number, so.
Way at the top, Brian.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Dustin Michael King, file number 25-22419FH. I have David Goldstein appearing on behalf of Mr. King, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Goldstein, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I have not had an opportunity to get with Mr. Sneed to talk about potential resolution. So I'm asking for another date, maybe the middle of December.
Let's see. I have December 17 available.
December 17. Actually, that's a good date. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Miss Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for Mr. King for December 17 at 8:30 in the morning?
Okay.
All right, and Mr. King, have a seat right behind you.
Nice to meet you, everyone. I got a 12th, I have a point.
I can't hear you. You gotta speak loudly on the microphone,
December 12th, we have a probate case.
but it's not December 17.
No.
Okay. All right, so have a seat right behind you. No, on the bench behind you, and my assistant will bring you a notice of hearing, okay?
I got a paper coming up from there that I want you guys to have.
I know, you're picking them up.
You gotta talk into the microphone.
I got medical paperwork. I forgot to bring it in. I'm bringing it up. I've got a gentleman.
You gotta bring that to David Goldstein.
I've tried. I want the courthouse to have it too.
Okay, but I'll just send it back to you because that's ex parte communication. So I won't ever get to see it. So what I would tell you is mail it to David Goldstein or drive to his office over on Hogback and take it to him, all right?
Oh, I know where it's at.
Okay, good. All right, so we'll get you a notice of hearing for the next date. All right, Mr. Goldstein, I believe that's all I have with you.
That's correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Thank you. All right, just have a seat. We're gonna get you a notice. Mr. Montoy, you are representing Walter, and Walter is in my waiting room.
Okay.
All right. All right, you're all set, Mr. King. Thank you.
How about it?
All right.
I'm hurting. I don't understand it.
Well, I'm hurting too, so welcome to old age. Walter Nelson, let me grab your file. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Walter Douglas Nelson II, file number 25-22209FH. I have Brian Montoy appearing on behalf of I have Walter. So Walter, I'm assuming you're Walter Nelson, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. I have Brian Montoy appearing on behalf of Mr. Nelson, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is date and time set for a pre-trial conference in this matter. Mr. Montoy, how would you like to proceed today?
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. We are requesting an adjournment in this matter. There is the parties are of a mind for a resolution, but my understanding is the people want to wait until a co-defendant's trial has progressed. So I will leave it to Mr. Sneed as far as how far out the adjournment request goes. I did see that I think the co-defendant's trial isn't until May.
May?
That's right.
Okay. Mr. Sneed, do you want a pre-trial after that?
I think if we could possibly just go 90 days out, sometime in March or April, we may have a resolution in place by that time rather than waiting until June.
I like that plan, Your Honor.
So March or April, you're saying, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, please.
All right, Miss Adams, could I get a date, second week of April, maybe? Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We could do April 8th.
All right, so April 8th at 8:30 in the morning. And Mr. Montoy, if you want to do the stip in order to adjourn, Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you. So you're all set, Mr. Nelson. Write that down though, April 8th at 8:30 in the morning. Your attorney will do the notice of hearing, and thank you, Mr. Montoy.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Malaro, I have Roy in my waiting room, and I'm going to assume he is Roy Moore. Mr. Moore, if you want to go ahead and start your video, please.
Yes.
Okay. All right. You are Roy Moore?
Yes.
Okay. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Roy Alexander Moore, file number 25-22322FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Moore, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date and time set for a pretrial conference. So, Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed on behalf of Mr. Moore?
Judge, I don't think that's my client.
Mr. Moore, who's your attorney?
No, it's Mr. Malero is my client.
Yeah,
Roy
Mr.
Moore?
Malaro,
Yes, sir.
you appeared on him before and you did the step in order to adjourn the last one.
Right. Yeah, I understand that. Okay. Judge, we're still doing an investigation of the case, but I would ask, this case been around a while, so maybe we could set it for trial. I would think it's going to take 2 to 3 days, maybe.
All right, the plea in this case, Mr. Sneed, was plead as charged. And it says habitual third, but I don't show that the information shows a habitual.
If I could have one moment, Your Honor, I'll bring up that document. I believe he was a habitual fourth.
But it's not on the felony information? Or wait, maybe is that one of the new ones where you do the,
Yeah, it's a separate document now.
let me see. Well, this is, let me see. I got the waiver, I got the felony information, I got the witness list, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I think we would need to amend it, Judge. So
I have a demand for the, yeah, I don't have felony information. So the plea is as charged with the habitual third?
correct.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Malaro, a trial date, how many days?
I think maybe 2 for sure, maybe 3.
All right.
I think 2 will be
Ms.
enough,
Adams?
Judge.
Can you speak to your attorney in a breakout room? Roy.
Miss Adams, I'm looking for 3 days.
Okay. You're talking to your attorney.
All right. So, Mr. Moore, whoever is in the room with you needs to be quiet till we're done. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm
Because we
sorry.
record and we can hear everything they're saying.
I apologize.
It's okay. All right.
We could do Tuesday, January 13th.
January 13th, Mr. Malaro?
I have a jury trial scheduled, 2 of them actually that day.
Probably gonna need to go out to maybe March. He's not in custody, and I know we have the murder trial going on. So February or March, maybe?
We're going to March. It would be March 17.
Mr. Malaro?
Isn't that St. Patrick's Day, Judge?
I'm Scottish, I don't care.
Oh, all right. Well, then that's good then.
I'm Polish, so you know. Anybody
That works
have
with the
problem
people,
with March? Okay, so March 17 of 25, starting at 9 a.m. I'll set it for 3 days. Obviously Wednesday will be a 10:30 start. I would like jury instructions and voir dire questions provided to the court by February 27. And I will set a motion deadline and a final pretrial. For March 11. Of 26 at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Moore, make sure you schedule an appointment, meet with your attorney, and we will see you back on March 11 of 26 at 8:30 in the morning for a final pretrial, with the trial starting March 17 at 9 a.m. Is the D. Warner trial concluded by then? I'm not sure, but all right. All right.
I think it's the final week of it, Judge.
Okay, good. All right, we will get this out to Mr. Malaro. What were you gonna say?
I was just going to ask if I could do a breakout with Mr. Moore after we're done, Judge.
Of course. All right, Mr. Moore, we will get a copy of that out. I'm gonna put you guys in a breakout room. Why is Dave Goldstein back? He found his client, that's why. All right, Mr. Moore, I'm gonna put you and Mr. Malaro in a breakout room. Go ahead and join that breakout room. I'm gonna guess, Mr. Goldstein, you have found your client.
Promoting the
Yes, Your Honor, I expect him to be logging on soon.
state is not in the U.S. Constitution. It is from a letter that Thomas Jefferson wrote in 1803 to the.
Is he listening to a podcast? I think he's listening to a podcast while he's waiting for us. All right, let's see. All right, Mr. Murphy. Mr. Murphy,
Morning, Your Honor.
in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Erica Lynn Wright, file number 25-22421FH. I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Ms. Wright, and then Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So Darren Coast from pretrial. Oh, Mr. Coast, would you like to give us an update?
Good morning, Judge. I received a phone call from Erica's mother. Apparently, she's been admitted to Herrick Hospital. They promised to get me discharge papers once she's released.
All right, so Mr. Murphy, I'm gonna set this over to December 3rd at 8:30 in the morning, but if she doesn't show at that point, and obviously I want to believe that that's an honest statement about what's happened, but I've had people like log in and pretend to be in the hospital with an iPhone charger connected to them as an error. So I'm always like a little hesitant. So anyway, so I'm going to adjourn this over to December 3rd at 8:30 in the morning. If she fails to appear that day, I will issue a bench warrant, but hopefully she'll get that paperwork to Mr. Coast today and we'll have no problem. So Mr.
Yes,
Murphy,
Your Honor.
if you could do the stip in order to adjourn December 3rd at 8:30 in the morning, and Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, please.
All right, so Mr.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Murphy, that's all I have with you this morning. So you have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Thank you.
Miss Adams, can I get Mr. Simmons' paperwork back or files back,
Okay,
please?
yeah.
Mr. Simmons, want to unmute your device and start your video? I think that's you.
Yes.
You are. All right. You usually show up to court, so I was surprised you weren't here. All right. We're back on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Emmanuel Simmons. Two files, 24-22051FH and 24-22052FH. Mr. Goldstein, thank you. And I have Isaac Sneed. I know this was a McCready file, so I think.
I'm going to text Mr. McCready if we could just
Okay.
pass it for a moment, Judge.
Okay, I don't really have anything to pass it for, but we'll just
Okay,
wait.
We'll need Mr. Coast also, I think, Your Honor. He's here. I don't know if he's
He's
still
here. Mr. Coast is here. Now, Mr. Goldstein, we do not have a show cause against your client at this point, do we?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
I don't show that we have a show cause.
I know Mr. Coast requested I know he told me he was requesting it, but I never got any indication it was actually done.
Mr. Coast, was there one signed or?
You're muted, Darren. Darren, you're muted.
Judge, we actually have a, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Judge, we actually have a bench warrant for Mr. Simmons for getting kicked out of Dawn Farms. David,
Okay.
I thought I emailed you that.
You might have, but it's not in the file and I'm only working on the file, so it's across the hostel. So it looks like there was a bench warrant, Mr. Goldstein. Mr. Goldstein, did you, I guess what I'm asking, are you pleading not guilty to the violation, asking for a hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. So, all right, I'm gonna quash that bench warrant for today on both these files. And is your client currently at home, or is he in, you said he was trying to find placement in another facility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I should get called tomorrow.
Mr. Simmons, you're sort of mute. You're sort of mumbled. I mean, it's mushy.
I said I
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
I should be in there tomorrow.
Where at?
Home New Vision.
I'm just waiting for Mr. McCready. I don't have him yet.
Just waiting on the lady to call me back.
All right, hold on a minute. We're just waiting for Mr. McCready.
He's logging in now.
Okay. What are you listening to, like a podcast or something, Mr. Goldstein, while you're waiting for judges to get, we could hear like an audio recording about something being signed in 1803. And I was like, oh, he's listening to podcasts or something.
No, Your Honor, that's actually, I was viewing videos that I had received on another case.
Oh.
That was,
Okay.
they were talking about signing a bench warrant, I mean, a search warrant.
Oh, okay. Never stops, does it? All right. All right, Mr. McCready, Mr. Simmons did appear. He just stated for the record that he was being admitted to Home of New Vision, hopefully tomorrow. Obviously, if that's true, he'll have to sign any releases for Mr. Coast to get that information. And Mr. Goldstein would like to plead him not guilty to the violation and set it for evidentiary hearing. Oh, yep. That's a basic summation, Mr. McCready.
So his bond was left unchanged.
I'm sorry?
No changing to his bond then.
Well, right now he's in bench warrant status. So yes, so Mr. Goldstein's requesting a change in his bond to a PR until the hearing, at least.
Well,
right, Mr. Goldstein?
Yes, Your Honor, to cancel the bench warrant, reinstate his bond to let him get into treatment.
And I'm opposed to that, obviously.
Yeah, Judge, he's already been to two treatments. He was over at Salvation Army Harbor. He elected to leave that. He thought Dawn Farms would be an excellent fit. He tried that, to where they actually had to get the police to escort him off the property.
No, they didn't.
Hold on, Mr. Simmons, you are not under oath and we're not taking testimony right now, so bear with us. All right, so Mr. Simmons, you know, these facilities are not to be taken lightly, nor are these charges against you. Mr. Goldstein, you know, is doing his best to try to resolve this, but at some point you're becoming your own worst enemy. So I'm going to set this for an evidentiary hearing on the bench warrant, but I will allow your bond to be reinstated. But Mr. Simmons, if you leave, if you get in trouble, if you have any issues at all, understand I'll revoke your bond. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I say something?
Probably not, Mr. Goldstein.
I don't think it's necessary at this point, Emmanuel. She's letting you go into treatment.
Okay.
Judge, he doesn't need treatment. He needs to be incarcerated. He's a public safety threat.
In what respect? There's no allegation.
So I've already made my ruling, so thank you. I heard from both of you and I already made that ruling. So understand, Mr. Simmons, you won't get bond reinstated again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So Ms. Adams, I guess we'll need an evidentiary hearing on the show cause. Mr. Goldstein, do you want that? Do you want an evidentiary hearing on the show cause then?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have a big trial coming up in one of the suburbs, Mr. Goldstein, or no?
I did have one, Your Honor. We moved it till January, so it was going to be in December. We moved it to January.
Okay.
And Judge, until he gets into treatment, he does need to continue with those drug screening.
Yep, don't forget that, Mr. Simmons.
Yeah, because I'm currently up by my parents. So where can I drop it?
You're gonna have to figure that out with Mr. Coast.
I'm over by my parents. So where can I
We
drop
can't really
it?
hear you, Mr. Simmons. You're very muffled. So hold the
said,
phone
where can-
correctly. I understand you may not be living here in Lenawee, but you're gonna have to drop somewhere, and that responsibility is on you to figure that out. Mr. Goldstein may be able to help you with that, but Mr. Coast may have some referrals as well. So I have a CSE trial going. And then I have 1 hour on Tuesday, December 9th at 11 a.m.
Well, Judge, I have a jury trial scheduled to start on the 8th, but that case may resolve tomorrow. So why don't we go ahead and set that date, but I may have to contact Mr. McCready and move it. I'm expecting that case to plead out.
All right, so December 9 at 11, I will set for pretrial and evidentiary hearing on the show cause and in person, Mr. Goldstein.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that'll be in person. So Mr. Simmons, you'll have to be here in person as well. And we will send.
What if I'm in a
I
rehab?
can't hear you. You're very muffled.
It said, what
Your Honor,
if I'm in the rehab?
Yeah, that's the question I was going to ask him.
If he's in rehab, he can Zoom, but if he's not, he's got to be here in person.
That's fine. If he's in rehab and he's going to Zoom, I will also Zoom, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Mr. Coast, did you want to chat with him in a breakout room?
I do, Judge. He never alerted me of a change of address either.
Yep, so we'll get that information from him. All right, so Mr. Simmons, I am going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goldstein. Or I'm sorry, Mr. Goldstein, you don't want to go in there, do you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, go ahead and join that breakout room, and then we'll, we'll do the notice of hearing because it's on the show cause. All right, go ahead and join that breakout room. Mr. Malaro,
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't often ask this, but Mr. Owen has been here from MDOC since before 8:30 this morning. And I know Mr. Glazier typically goes to Judge Olsaver first, but I didn't know if he was just going to get another date. Could you possibly handle that so that Mr. Owen can resume his daily schedule?
Is it, is this?
Houston Owen? Yes.
All right, let me look.
All right, thank you. Mr. Owen, I'm gonna send a request to unmute, and if somebody's in there, they can unmute it. Thank you.
So good, Judge, could I do a breakout with him? See what he wants to do?
All right, still not unmuted. There you go. All right. So Mr. Owen, Mr. Malaro is kind enough that I know that you probably have a day to get on with. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Malaro, who is an associate of Mr. Glazier. And that way we might be able to get you on your way today. So, all right, go ahead and, oh, he's already gone. Okay. All right.
Am I free to go, Judge?
Yes, sir. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. Simmons.
Thank you.
Did you see the Northern Lights last night?
No.
They're supposed to be crazy brilliant tonight. So I am excited. You're even supposed to be able to see them in Toledo.
Oh, wow.
So. Today's Sean's birthday. Oh. All right, Mr. Malaro, you are so kind. So let me bring him back.
That no one ever.
And,
I've never been described as kind, Judge, so.
we're, you know, it happens. All right, Mr. Malaro, thank you so much for talking to Mr. Owen. How would you like to proceed today?
Judge, I'd ask to adjourn this out maybe 30, 60 days. There's some, John's notes talks about maybe a Cobb's conference or a Killebrew agreement. So
Okay,
maybe
so
get
you're
some time.
asking, So we're getting a lot of feedback. So 30 to 60 days. How about January 21 at 8:30 in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that should work.
And then Mr. Glazier and the prosecutor can schedule a cops conference at any time in the near future. And if there's a resolution, I'll see Mr. Owen whenever you would like before that.
I miss Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Owen.
I had Mr. What's your name?
Malaro.
Malaro. I had spoke with Mr. Malaro, right? And I requested a new attorney. He said he's gonna see if he can pick up my attorney because my current Mr. Glazier is not doing he's not telling me anything. He's not contacting me through the prison, through attorney-client calls or nothing. He's not letting me know nothing that whatsoever, or he's not responding to nothing I send him. So that's I requested a new lawyer. You feel me?
Okay. So, Mr. Owen, back in the day, the judges had control over the public defenders, and that wasn't a good thing. So we don't have any control or authority over the public defender's office. So I can't give you a new attorney or not, but Mr. Malaro and Mr. Glazier can have that discussion, and I'll see you back on January 21 at 8:30. Okay, Mr. Owen?
All right, yep.
Yeah,
All right,
Judge, for the record, I told him I would speak to Mr. Glazier and if necessary, reassign the case.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Owen. And Mr. Malaro, you do this step in order to adjourn.
We will make sure it gets done, Judge.
Okay. So, Mr. Malaro, I believe then I have nothing else with you, and I believe you're all set.
Okay, doke, Judge. Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. So, Mr. Sneed, I have Mr. Glazier on behalf of Miss Miller. She's not here, but he is evidently probably still down in front of Judge Olsaver. And then I have a 9:30 on Jenkins with John Glazier. He's zooming in from a federal prison in Virginia. And then I don't know what the 10 o'clock is. It's a PPO hearing, and then it's a PH, so it's a PPO. And then looks like we have an 11. Are you on Frederick Shears?
I believe Miss Arnold is on that one, Judge. I might be covering though, so.
Okay, because that's a motion to suppress. Okay, well, I guess we're just waiting on Mr. Glazier.
Okay, thanks, Judge. I'll stay zoomed on.
Okay, thanks.
If that's the right term.
Yeah, right.
Probably I shut it down.
That's what he said to do, right, Becky?
Yeah, since he said it sounds like the keyboard's not connected to it.
Okay.
Must be.
Do you think a restart or should I shut it all the way down? Should I shut it down?
Just your VIQ, he said.
Oh, just the VIQ.
Just the VIQ.
Oh, I shut everything. Okay, well, let me just do a restart then, right?
Yeah.
That should be okay. It's so frustrating because I can't, I'm so used to making notes, you know, and your
Yes.
classes are cute.
Thank you.
I
I
just
just got them yesterday.
Did you? They're pretty, Becky. I like them.
Because you could type on email, so it's not the keyboard.
Right,
It's just, it's
right.
not sending to.
Yes, that makes sense,
Yeah.
because I was able to respond to you.
Yeah.
Yes, that makes sense. Yeah, okay.
Well, hopefully that works. He said that's probably what it is.
Machine's gonna be. Oh, my word.
Let me know if you need me to call him back.
Okay, Becky, thank you so
You're
much,
welcome.
dear. Did you have a good day off?
I did.
Did you? Good for you. Yeah, I did. I was Becky, I was contacting all day, just because I wanted to get this one transfer
Yeah.
done. My external drive and the CD wasn't working, and it's like, and I didn't want to come here
Was a
and do it.
sign, just relax.
I know. Well, I ended up going doing Christmas shopping for
Did you?
our nieces and nephews, so it was a
At
productive
least you,
day.
yeah, at least you got that
Exactly,
done.
yeah.
Or from drug abuse.
We'll continue. Or continue.
Yeah. All right. Becky, I think I left my docket back there, but I think I gave you my docket. Nice. Oh, shoot. There.
Becky, what's your name?
You're good.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Glazier.
Yes.
All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Chelsea Lee Miller, file number 25-22424FH, 25-22425FH. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Miss Miller, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Glazier, your video's off. Okay. Do you know where Miss Miller is? Because she has not appeared.
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay. Have you had contact with her or?
Not that I remember lately, no.
Okay, so I'm going to issue a bench warrant for her arrest for failure to appear. There's also a show cause. And it looks like the show cause was for failing to drug test. So I'll set a bench warrant. And what, Mr. Glazier?
I couldn't hear what you said. The show cause was for what?
A failure to drug test as required. So I'll issue a bench warrant for arrest and I'll set bond on each file for 50,000 cash. All right. And then let's see, she also is not been fingerprinted, but I guess if we pick her up on the warrant, we'll be able to get those at the jail. Okay. Then Mr. Glazier, Brian Jenkins is a Zoom from the Michigan or Virginia Federal Prison. And we do not have him yet. Miss Adams, I'm assuming we got some email verification from, I think that's Camp Cupcake, isn't it? I'm not sure, but. So.
Judge, all my response I got was that it was forwarded to the counselor, so.
All right, so Mr. Glazier, obviously we're having some difficulty with the federal, although I had a female Zoom in from the same federal prison that Michael Stewart was at, but so I don't have Mr. Jenkins. How about we adjourn that out to December 3rd for another pretrial at 8:30 in the morning. And
Your Honor, I'm at a little
wait, I might have federal court. Oh, federal prison.
They're dialing in by phone. I was just informed.
Oh, here they are. So I have somebody who's dialed in. Are you Brian Jenkins?
Yes, ma'am, Brian Jenkins.
Oh, excellent. Thank you. All right, Mr. Glazier, we do have Brian Jenkins.
All right.
Yes, I'm here.
I'll need to speak with Mr. Jenkins.
All right. So
yes,
Mr.
Right
Jenkins,
yeah.
Okay. I know you can't see it. So what I'm going to do now is put you in a private call with your attorney, John Glazier. When Mr. Glazier's, well, listen to me. When Mr. Glazier's done talking to you, he's going to come back into the meeting room and then I will bring you back in. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. So let me open up this breakout room and you'll go automatically and then I'll bring you back automatically. And Mr. Glazier, there you go. Mr. Glazier, did you talk to your client?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, well, I didn't know if you got disconnected. Let me bring him back in.
I got disconnected. I think I hit the wrong button.
Okay. All right. All right, so we are back on the record and we have Mr. Jenkins. So Mr. Glazier, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Jenkins?
Your Honor, it's my understanding this is a sentencing that should have took place way back in 2009. I don't have a PSI. Does the court have one?
Hold on a second. Becky, I have this down. Okay, so we have a bench
Judge,
warrant.
I'm looking through my old stack right now.
Okay, so hold on.
Okay.
We're gonna, yes, so hold on, let me see here. So Mr. Jenkins, we're gonna try to get you sentenced this morning. Is that all right?
No, ma'am. I filed motions to withdraw my guilty plea.
Well, Mr. Glazier,
I don't have those motions either.
they're scanned into the file.
Yeah, I got a notice from the court that there was a hearing today. It didn't.
Don't you have access online to everything?
Yeah, I don't know. When were the motions filed? I assume they're filed in pro per.
Looks like they were filed September 6th of 24.
This is just set for bench warrant, but they're not set today.
Okay, so it's just, I knew that, but I thought he wanted to sentence him. So that's all. So, Mr. Glazier, those motions aren't set for today, but you should have them. So we were just gonna arraign him on the bench warrant for, but I mean, obviously it looks like he was in prison at the time. Hold on. Let me get back there. So he failed to appear, hold on, 9/11 of 2009 for sentencing. And let me look in here because Mr. Jenkins, when did you go to prison in Virginia?
I started actually in September 2010. I was incarcerated.
Okay, so I show that, okay, so you weren't incarcerated on 9/11 of 2009, correct?
No, but at the time I didn't have a driver's license to be able to come back up to Michigan to take care of what I had up there, and then I got into some other trouble and.
Okay, so hold on a minute. All right, so Mr. Glazier, I mean, you getting to Michigan is your problem, not the courts, but Mr. Glazier, how do you want to proceed on the bench warrant for failure to appear for sentencing on 9/11 of 2009?
Your Honor, is there a PSI?
He has a motion to withdraw his plea. Miss,
I understand.
Miss
I understand
Holly,
that. but he
Joanne
was-
Holly, hold on, John. Hold on 1 second, John Glazier. Joanne Holly, are you able to verify who did the PSI on this back in
It looks like-
2009?
It looks like it was Mike Stevenson, but I didn't find any report in the system. So I think that motion to withdraw.
Mayor, if I could interject, there was no
Hold
PSI
on,
done.
Mr. Jenkins, I fully understand you can't see what's going on, but we
Yeah.
don't interrupt people, okay? Can you walk
Sorry,
over and
sorry,
see if
Your
Mike
Honor.
Stevenson's there and take the docket and see if he prepared a PSI? Because this may be a case where a PSI was never prepared.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Same distance.
Is it? I don't know. All right, hold on a minute. Let's check that.
If I could address the court, Your Honor, there was no PSI prepared. He failed to appear for the interview.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking too.
All right, Doug. So it looks like Mr. Glazier, he didn't appear for the PSI appointment, so no, there was never one done.
Okay. Could I speak with Isaac? Is this your case, Isaac?
Yes.
Could I speak with you for a second?
Yeah, I don't care.
Mr. Glazier and Mr. Sneed, go ahead and join that breakout room. So Mr. Jenkins, I just put your attorney and the prosecuting attorney in a breakout room. So we'll just be a few minutes, okay?
Thank you.
No problem.
One was never done because it never showed.
Okay.
But he does have the file back there.
Okay. I don't know what he's in prison for. So. All right, Mr. Glazier and Mr. Sneed.
Yeah, Judge. So we had an opportunity to talk. Neither of us have a copy of any motions that were filed by Mr. Jenkins in pro per. So
It would have been scanned into the system. He filed them back on September of 24, and I do show that they were scanned into the computer system.
okay,
So
all I have is a copy of his pro se appearance.
well, I guess my question is, I don't know the answer to is, do you have access online to like when the files are scanned? I'm assuming public defenders and prosecutors do, but I could be wrong.
Yeah, I'm looking in our Carpel system file now at all of the documents that we have, and there's only 4 documents: the bench warrant, the pro se appearance, the Zoom information for today, and then the notice of bench warrant arraignment.
Okay.
If those could be, we can contact the clerk if they're in your file, Judge. We'll get them.
They're in my file. I thought you
Okay.
got access to the system online where everything's scanned into. I didn't know you didn't. All right. All right. So Mr. Glazier and Mr. Sneed.
Could I speak with my client again very briefly, Your Honor?
Sure. And what did he actually plead to? It was an ad count 2, Mr. Sneed.
Count 2, not only cross count 1. I believe he pled to the home invasion 3rd degree, and the home invasion 1st degree was to be dismissed at sentencing.
Okay. And Mr. Glazier, when does your client get released from federal prison?
That's what I was gonna ask him.
Mr. Jenkins, when is your out date?
August of 2028, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right, you want another breakout room, Mr. Glazier?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. Go ahead and join the breakout room, Mr. Glazier. All right, Mr. Glazier, let me bring your client back.
Could we speak off the record, Your Honor?
Yeah, hold on 1 minute. So what I'm gonna do is, Becky, I'm gonna put you with Mr. Glazier and Mr. Sneed into a breakout room, and then I'll come back. All right, I'll go on back. Isaac, go ahead and join the breakout room. so, what I will do, Becky, could I actually get like a date on a Wednesday at 11? I don't know when that would be. How about maybe at 10 o'clock on December 17? Would that work, Becky?
How much time you need? You have a 10:30.
Yeah, that'd be a half hour.
Okay, yep, that would work.
All right, so Mr. Jenkins, I'm gonna set this over to December 17 at 10 a.m. And that, obviously, the prosecutor that was on the file in 2009 is not the prosecutor that is on the file now. And they would like a chance to look at the file and then talk to your attorney, and then we can address your motion at that time. Miss Holly, I haven't made a ruling on the motion to withdraw the plea. I'll set it over for that day. But do you think is Mr. Stevenson in the other court?
Yes.
Do you think Mr. Stevenson would want to talk to him and do a PSI just in case?
Thinking what Mike would say is if he's wanting to withdraw his plea, no.
Okay.
He's not going to want to do a PSI if he's going to withdraw his plea.
Okay. All right. So we'll set a pretrial for December 17th at 10 a.m. And Mr. Glazier, can you do the step in order to adjourn?
Yep.
Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thank you.
All right, so Mr. Jenkins, in the interim, Mr. Sneed's going to review your file, talk to Mr. Glazier. Perhaps they'll be able to come to some resolution. Otherwise, we'll see you back on December, or one way or the other. We will see you back December 17 at 10 a.m. and we'll reach out and set up for you to be able to call in on that day. All right?
Thank you. Could you also send this order to the prison itself so they're actually aware? Because last time they just sent it directly to me, but my counselor needs it sent to him. He's with me right now.
The notice of hearing?
Yes, please.
All right. And Mr. Counselor, do you have an email we can send that to?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to give that to us?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready when you are.
Go ahead.
It's D, the number 1. It's going to be my last name, Shoemate, spelled out SHUMATE at BOP.gov.
BOP.gov, Bureau of Prisons.gov, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so D is in dog, 1, Shoemate, SHUMATE at BOP.gov. I got it, and we will make sure that we email a notice to you there as well, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. All right, you're all set, Mr. Jenkins.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so we got a few minutes, Mr. Glazier, till.
I have a Darius Brandon.
Yep, at 10:30.
Do we still have Christopher? Whoops, sorry. Do we still have Christopher Wade and Noah Finley?
Mr. Wade, a waiver of arraignment was done. We don't have a date on that yet.
Okay.
All right.
It says 10 for Mr. Brandon.
Yeah, it's not 10 yet.
Right, you told him 10. You told Mr.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Brandon's at 10 o'clock. It's not quite 10 o'clock. And then Mr. Shears is at 11. So we just have a few minutes, Mr. Glazier, for Mr. Brandon.
Did Finley, is Noah Finley on?
Noah Finley was adjourned, but I don't have a date for it.
That's fine. Okay, I think you might be done with me then.
I think that's all I had with you. Yeah, I think you're good.
Thank you. I'll let
Thank
Mike
you.
know what's going on with that other case.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right, we'll wait a couple minutes to see if Mr. Brandon appears.
Yeah.
You know, that becomes county courtroom property now.
Oh, no. It's like a house once it's attached to the wall.
Yeah.
Stays.
Have a good day, Mr. Murphy.
Waffles, Kitty.
Do you know there's a dark sky park in Lenawee County?
What?
A dark skies park?
Uh-oh.
Isn't it out by Clayton?
I never heard of it, Judge.
Okay, so when we go up to UP, we always go to the dark sky park in Mackinac City. So what it means is it's an area where there's no electrical lights for a certain area. And that way you can see the sky and the constellations and everything else. So it's Lake Hudson Recreation Area.
Okay.
And it is a dark sky preserve, the first one in Michigan in '93. So if you were to go there tonight, you would be able to see like full glory of the aurora. Now everybody saw it everywhere like crazy. And tonight it's not supposed to be cloudy, and it's supposed to be even stronger. So it usually is around 8:30, 9 o'clock. So if you and your lovely lady were to take a ride out there, you might be able to see the aurora.
I'm not sure how late she works.
Well, the aurora goes till like 2 in the morning or something. So
Yeah, but she's got to go let her dog out.
yeah. So I know it's supposed to even be visible in Toledo tonight. Sounds pretty. Sounds like it's pretty. Miss McGreen got some beautiful pictures from her house last night, and by the time I went out, it's cloudy. But it's not supposed to be cloudy today.
Yeah, if she saw it, I would think Toledo would be able to see it.
Yeah, which is rare because it's too far south. But some people way up north had to look to the south to see it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
So,
well, but Sean will have a happy birthday today, just
every day. It's a day when you're Sean.
Yeah, he has a.
All right, Mr. Glazier, it is 10:05. I do not have your client or the other party. So it was just a pretrial, but so in the matter of Jesse Rogers versus Darius Brandon, file number 2025-52793PH. So on August 12th, we were here, the victim wasn't present, the police officer wasn't present. We adjourned it to September 18, and then it was adjourned to today. We did mail a copy of the PPO and the show causes on August 12, and then to both parties, prosecutor and defense counsel. And then it's today for a pretrial. So Mr. Sneed and Mr. Glazier.
Your Honor, I would submit that if the parties are not going to appear, then the case should be dismissed and it could be refiled at a later time by the petitioner if she wishes to do so. Or at least the motion could be dismissed, not the actual PPO if it's still active.
Okay. So Mr. Glazier, any objection then to dismissing? I think the last time, if I remember correctly, but Mr. Glazier, any objection to dismissing without prejudice the violation of the PPO show cause?
No, Your Honor.
Right, so I'll dismiss the show causes. Obviously, they can be brought again. All right, so Mr. Glazier, I'll see you back at 11 today.
Yes, I'll be in there at 11.
All right, okay, excellent, thank you.
Right, thank you.
Have a good morning, Judge.
You too, thanks, bye. Thank you.